One of the most valuable tools we have on Freelancer Club is the ability to collaborate with other members. It's an amazing way to add new work to your portfolio, to practice your skills, and to meet other creatives in your area. To start a collaboration, you simply hover over the Create button and click Post a Collaboration. The first field will ask you who you're looking for. So in this case, we'll put in a hair and makeup artist. You click next, you choose whether it's an online or offline shoot. We'll put in London. Then you choose a date, and if you don't know when you want to shoot, you have the option to say so, and you can discuss a date with the team later down the line. A really neat feature that we have is the ability to search work that our members have uploaded to create a mood board, and you can punch in a descriptive word that'll show you some incredible work that you can tag as a mood board inspiration. You can upload your own work, and then you can view and take a look at what that mood board might look like. You can also remove images and add new ones as you go along. Once you're happy with it, click next. This is where you can add team members. So if you've already teamed up with a Freelancer Club member who is a part of this shoot, you can start typing their name into this area and they will appear. And once you move on to next, their profile will show up in the post so that people can see who's involved. If they're not members, you can invite them by email and they'll be given a link to create a profile so that they can join. Click next and punch in some details. This is really where you want to give people a good visual understanding of what they can expect. In some cases, members have a very clear vision of what they want to produce, and they're looking to attract others who are interested in that vision. In other cases, they really just want to meet other creatives and brainstorm ideas before the shoot takes place. Either is absolutely fine. Just put in what you expect, who you're looking for, and a little bit about the shoot itself. Click next, and you'll be given a preview where you can edit any last minute changes. So perhaps we also want a stylist in our shoot. We can see the work of the person who's posted this shoot and all the details that we can update if need be before we click complete. That'll go on to the back end of the site and our team will authorize that. In the meantime, you can recommend other members to apply and start building out your team from there. It's a really neat and quick way to put together a shoot team to collaborate and produce incredible new work before uploading that work back onto the site to create a perfect circle.